Hello guys, welcome to this video on getting started with Java database connectivity. So the first thing you need for this Java database connectivity is a database. So in this series of videos I will be using Oracle Express Edition 11G as the database. So here it is, accepted the license. I will be providing the URL in the description below. So mine is a 64-bit machine, so I am downloading this one. Actually it asks for a Oracle account login. So here I am downloading. So actually it is already downloaded. So let's see the installation process. So here it is, extracted it. So the setup, start the setup, yes, it's extracting the database. Okay, accept the license agreement. So choose the directory where you have to install. Okay, enter. So for simplicity I am keeping it as Oracle. So you have to remember this is an important password. So this is the most important thing. So this is the port through which we connect our database using the Java program, and this is the listener port. We have no issue with it. So the main thing is this thing, the 1521 is the port for the Oracle database listener. So install it. It takes some time for the installation to go on. Yeah, I think now it's completed. So it's starting the database instance. Okay, so it's configuring the database according to the system, and once it configures we can start using it. Actually for the basic purpose the 11G Express edition is enough, as we deal with basic stuff like creating tables, deleting some tuples. So for that the normal Express edition is enough, but for going into depth of the details, depth of database management, you have to go for home edition or the enterprise edition. So the setup has finished. Now the main thing with Oracle is that um, by default Oracle comes with a default database, and it is provided in the HR account, and it is a locked account, so you have to unlock the thing. So for doing so, go to the command line, SQL command line. Here first you have to connect to the system, and the password is Oracle. So now you are connected. So to unlock the HR account, alter user HR account unlock, and now specify a password for the HR account. Alter user HR identified by, for simplicity I am keeping the password as HR. Okay, now connect to that account to check whether it is successfully unlocked. Yeah, okay. So like it has a database of table of jobs, so select star from jobs. So here you can see the Oracle database comes with a default database already present in this, so you can see some tuples already inserted. Okay, now how to connect this database using your Java program? Let's see. Let's go to our Eclipse. Yeah, and here we have used GJavaE. Okay, okay. So Java JDBC is normal Java, so we don't need to change the perspective to Java. Java is insufficient. So create a new project, Java project, name it as JDBC. Okay, finish. So here new class, continue test the connection. Okay, okay. Now we need to connect to the database using our Java program. So first we need to establish a connection. So connection equals to new, sorry, driver manager dot get connection. So here we give the URL of the database. So what's the URL of the database? So URL of the database consists of the machine where the database is installed, the port number, and the instance. Okay, so by default the instance name is XE. So create a string URL equals to JDBC thin, okay, sorry, JDBC oracle thin @localhost as installed in our machine. This is a port number I have mentioned during the installation, xe, and yeah, okay, this is the database URL. So here we give the URL along with the username and the password which we need to access. So the username is HR and the password is HR. Okay, same, importing, Control Shift O. Here you see Java SQL dot connection. This needs to be imported, and here it gives an exception if the database is not present at this, so it gives an exception. So for that, add throws declaration. Okay, now to check whether this is connected or not, so for that we will do one small thing. We'll just check giving a small program to run whether it is correctly installed in our machine or not. So instead of this, if to check whether it is present in our machine or not, use a try and catch block. So system.out.println connection successful. Catch exception. There is an error, and to see the error message, get message. Okay, now testing it. So before testing it, so some stuff which is new for you is this thin. So what is this thin? So actually, to connect to the database, we need something between the Java program and the database, which acts as a link between these two. So that is done by the driver. So previously we used to use a OCI driver, but nowadays we are using the type 4 category driver, which is thin driver, Oracle's thin driver. So we have to include the jar file, the thin driver's jar file, into the project before running this, because it is required for running this connection and getting the connectivity between the database and our program. So to load it, go to build path, configure build path. So here go to libraries, add external jars. So where is the driver present? Look here carefully. The Oracle exe where you installed it, there go to app, Oracle, product 11.2.0, server. Here you see JDBC, and in the library you have the OJDBC 6, which is the thin driver. So open it and apply. Okay. Okay, save it and run it. Run as a Java application. Okay. Default package. See here, the connection is successful. So we have successfully connected to our database using our Java program. So in the next videos, I will be showing how to retrieve the data from the database, how to insert data into the database using the Java program. Thank you for watching.